Hey guys, today what we're going to be doing is talking about filters yet again. Why is it so important? Is because we are using these filters to find products which we're going to then sell on Amazon. The importance about filters is we've got to realize that sometimes when we are putting filters in, we're actually missing out on some really good selling opportunities. So in this video, we are going to go over the method which I like to call the hidden gem method. This is where we're looking for products which nobody else is even considering. And if you check out my video here, what you realize is I'm actually purposely leaving these hidden gems alone because I don't want many people utilizing the same filters that I do. But this filter, which I'm going to show today, I actually use it in my business, and it's a great opportunity to find hidden gems which nobody else is looking for. If you're enjoying these type of videos, I'd just like to remind you, please like and subscribe to me because it really does help this channel out. And enough of the talking, let's get to the video. So as you can see, we are going to start on SellerAmp, and these filters can be used on Keeper as well. But SellerAmp has got the max cost, which we have to be purchasing these products for to fit our criteria when selling on Amazon. So we're going to log into SellerAmp now. The other thing which I want to point out to you, which not many people talk about, when you're using SellerAmp, we've got this really powerful feature, which not many people know about. So I'm going to show you that now. So if we go to SellerAmp here, we go to Help, and we got the Sales Rank table. So press that. What this is going to do now is give us this table, and it's a really important table because it gives us a breakdown of all the categories. It's going to show us what percentage of them products are going to be in the top 1% BSR. Why is the 1% BSR important? Is because that is the fastest selling products. But a lot of people utilize filters and they restrict themselves. So they would be putting a maximum BSR of 100,000, for example. And as you can see here, if you're scrolling down this top 1% BSR, you could see that some of these products actually have more than 100,000 in the top 1%. So for example, automotive has 267,000. We could scroll down. We've got books, which not many people sell books, but that's 382,000. Business, industry and science, 136, and so on. But the important thing is, even when the top BSR is this high, you could still find products which sell really fast. So utilizing this chart here, we are now going to go to the advanced search function and have a look for products which are hidden gems. So because SellerAmp is giving us our templates now, we need to just clear that. So we'll go to the bottom and just press clear all. And now we can build our own search. What we're going to do is we're going to be looking at the categories. We're going to put them higher sellers in here. And as you can see, SellerAmp is giving us the products which are in these categories as well. So that's going to help us additionally. We're going to now select the categories which have got more products in. So we've got automotive, we've got business, industry and science, DIY and tools, electronics and photograph. You can do fashion if you're interested in selling fashion, but be careful with fashion because you may have the variations on them listings as well, which can be a little bit harder to analyze if you are a newer seller and not 100% sure on your analyzing of a product. So we'll miss that for this example. We've got home and garden, and we'll do sports and outdoors. We've selected our categories. These are ones where more products are in. We're now going to do sales rank, so current, and we're not going to have a maximum of 100,000. We're going to have a minimum of 100,000. So we're targeting them products which are unknown to most sellers. And because of the sales rank, we're just going to put this in as 300,000. And we're now going to focus on this being the 100,000 BSR to 300,000 BSR. As always, I would recommend putting a buy box with shipping pricing just to avoid them lower sales prices. So let's put £20 to £50 for example. We're also wanting to avoid private labels and potential IPs. So we're going to put minimum offer count is 3. And the final one we're going to do is sold in the past month, and we're going to put 50. So this search is going to give us the higher BSR, but it's still going to be focusing on them products which are making at least 50 sales per month. And if you wanted to, you can save this search as well, but we're going to run it. And as you can see, this is now going to give us some hidden gems which not many people are actually looking for, because they're restricting themselves with that high BSR. But there's many well-known brands here. So you've got Thermos, you've got Bialetti. Scrolling down, we have got some products where it looks like private label, like Hom Onion, which I wouldn't recommend selling this product anyway because of the length of the product. We've got Lakeland, Weira, De La Rowney, which I've not heard before, but this is another opportunity which we may want to consider. We've got Rapid, Brita. So you could see these are some well-known brands, but not many people are actually actively searching for them. So what you do now is look on Google, or you could do Arbisour's reverse search, trying to find these products to then sell on Amazon. There is some advantages to this method as well. So for example, we've got this Kadak Paella Pan, or this Harris Smooth Glide, and the offers on this listing are just FBM. This means that we have an advantage against these sellers selling the product as a FBA seller, because we're going to offer the customer faster shipping using the Fulfilled by Amazon services. The good thing about this search as well is because we're looking outside of the box to everybody else, or we're pretty niche on what type of products we're looking for, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can actually see that we've actually got a low amount of results as well. So we've only actually got 60 results utilizing this search. That means that you'll be able to spend time to go through these products, have a look, making sure that you're using your cashback, discount gift cards, and making sure you can find these products to then sell on Amazon. So as you can see, this search function is incredibly powerful. Not many people are actually utilizing a search like this because they are scared of that higher BSR, believing that that higher BSR is not going to make many sales. But it all depends on the category we're actually selling in. You can refine this search by putting filters in for variations. You could potentially utilize searches for rating of the product, making sure it's 4-star and above. But this was just a guideline of how you'd look for hidden gems which nobody else is looking for. If you're not utilizing SellerAmp SaaS, what I'll do is I'll drop a link below, so then you get a 14-day free trial to give this advanced search function a go. And just a reminder, I am going to be doing a Keeper 6-week course looking into filters like this and getting that hidden advantage against other sellers. There's an interest form in the link in my bio. What I'll do is also drop that in the description of this video, so then you can go and have a look at it for yourself. So I hope you like this video, and what I'll do is catch you on the next one. Cheers!